Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys what bots I've been using to hit all of the product I've been getting. So for Stellar, this is StellarAIO. It's probably gonna run you around $200 for 3 months. So you would divide like 200 divided by 3. That's how much you're paying per month basically. But Stellar cooked Walmart, Pokemon Center. Stellar, this is king right now for Pokemon Center. So look, you take a look at this, 11:59, 11:37. These were all yesterday, and I got over I want to say 22 Pokemon Center ETBs. I got 10 booster boxes, and then I totally missed out on the booster bundles because I had an error in my profile. I forgot to input those in, but I think also because I had a dumb coupon in there. But it's fine. If you guys want me to show you how to bot Pokemon Center, let me know. I charge $75. I'll also make sure that you hit. You could like have a live call with me, and I'll make sure you get something. Hit like a crazy clip like this. I probably spent like what $3,000 right here in just one day, right? So I would say I know what I'm doing, most likely. And also as well here for Refract, Refract has been cooking on Walmart. And these are all quantity of 12s, the legendary warriors. It's 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. I mean, all of these are quantity 12 right here. Especially for Target. Oh, Target it's actually 2 quantity. I do hit on Target every now and then. So yeah, I haven't hit on Refract in a little bit, only because I'm not really focused on Target right now. But when Target does drop some more heat, I'll definitely come back to that. Refract is a little bit more pricey than Stellar. It comes around like what $349. I'll have a link to both of these bots in my bio. You could also add me on Discord. I'll put it up on the screen right now. Yeah, just shoot me a message if you already have Refract or Stellar. The cost is going to be $75 for me to show you how to do everything and hit a bunch like me. So what the $75 will cover is that I'll make sure you hit within a week. You're free to ask me as many questions as you want. I've been doing this for like 7 months already, 6 months, I don't know. It's been some time now. Just been in and out of the bot, just studying it. I have a lot of experience, so hit me up, and hope you guys take care. Peace out. Sorry, I forgot to mention that you guys should also join the Discord, Pokesignals. I first joined it when I didn't have a bot, and they taught me pretty much everything. So if you don't feel like paying me $75, definitely can check this one out. You just ask around and whatnot. There's a dedicated questions channel. If you like I said, if you feel $75 too much. But we could definitely work on the price. Let's see, the Discord here is like what, $10 a month. You can't go wrong with it. I also have a link for it. What's his name? Sherm. He's always on everything. He posts when Walmart releases happen. He posts a SKU, offer ID. If you don't have a bot at all, you could always check the Walmart channel right here. It'll automatically ping you when a product is live. And there's always a bunch of other monitors as well for everything, you name it. Labubus, sports, anything hype at the moment, he will have that ready for you. So it's definitely a good flip server if you want to join that. It's mostly Pokemon, but there's also a lot of other good stuff in here. And then you have your Pokemon links in here as well. All the SKUs, offer IDs, yada yada yada. You also have the success channel, so none of this is fake. This is all real. Everybody's hitting a crazy amount of product, like you see here. The new the new Mega Evolutions. I mean, people are just cooked in this server. So just being in the server alone, you'll make that $10 easily within like one drop. Like guaranteed. I guarantee you that. There's no reason why you should not make your money back within like a week being here. Even a day probably. I mean, $10 is $10. But yeah, I mean, just look at all this success. Everyone's hitting. And these are all real people. They're not bots. I mean, they're Yeah, I mean, they're just real people like me. Look at that. Look at this guy. 19 checkouts. Fire. What else is in here? I mean, people just hit. Even manual, like, manual people cooked. Manual people always cook in here. You don't even need to have a bot, to be honest. So, don't even worry about having a bot if you feel like that's way too expensive as well. If you're just a collector, want some product but not too much, then this is the perfect place to join. I see other groups going for like $60, $70, you know, $40, $30, whatever it is. But I promise, $10, you can't go wrong with this one. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about all those other discords that go for like a crazy amount of money. Just don't join those. It's a total scam. This is what, $10, you get the same thing here. So yeah, check it out. I think there's like free days as well. I've been in this server for like 4 or 5 months probably. But yeah, hope you guys take care. Thank you for watching.